Good afternoon, everybody. This is Ramon Escalero with PaidDailyLife.com. Today, I wanted to share with you the video producer with Sawwp. If you're already a member of Sawwp and you have reached level 3 members area, all you have to do is click on that. Click on level 3 members area. What it's going to do is take you to level 1 tools. Click on level 3, tools. Click on video producer. Once you do so, it'll take you to the actual video producer downloading area. Now you can watch an actual video here showing you what the video is going to look like. The video recording software, how it's going to work. Doesn't show you exactly how to use the program, but I'm going to show you that now in this video. Now the next thing you need to do is download the video producer. You can download the package now by clicking here. Once you click there, it's going to open up this page. You're going to download both of these. Parent directory is the user guide, and the SawwpVideoMaker.exe is the actual program you need to download. Okay, once you have done so, the program will look just like this. This is when you have the program open and ready to go. Now you're ready to start working. This is your actual workspace. Now this video software is not like YouTube. It's very different. We have 3 different ways you can create videos, either FLV, AVI, or MP4. In the user guide, it will explain all of that. Okay, there is a user guide. Let me go ahead and open that now. Okay, here's the user guide from top to bottom. The introduction. So here's introduction to the user guide. So please go ahead and read this, because if you do not read this, you will not know how to use the actual video recording software. So make sure you check that out. Now that being said, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create video using text. Okay, you can also add background images to your text, or you can keep it plain. As you can see here, it is plain, so I'm not going to change that. I'll change the background image. As you can see, if you bring your cursor over the actual tab, the options in the tab, it'll tell you exactly what it's used for. Like this is used for new background image, new background color. This is the font. So the font is actually, you know what the font is. All you have to do is select which one you like best. And I'm gonna go with Blanca and apply. Okay. This is the font color. Okay. Right now it's on, I believe, white. So I'm going to choose the black. And I'm going to hit OK. So whatever I type, as you can see here, it's going to be black. This font is actually not that legible. Some people may have a hard time reading that. So I'm going to change that to that one there. Alright, and you can also change the size. Obviously that size is not good, or you can bold it, make it a little thicker. Let me change this font size to 26. Maybe that's not high enough. Let's try 28. There we go. That's font size 28. Ladies and gentlemen, give me 1 second. Now that we have a font size here, it's legible. What I'm going to do now is just keep writing what it is. Whatever it is you need to say, you can go ahead and write it. Like Sawwp is the best place for tools and training for a very low cost. Well, what I'm going to do is a low cost. All right. And again, this is the first slide. And to create another slide, say this is one slide and you also want to add a picture. Again, these are the sizes of the pictures. So 48 by 20. I don't have a 48 by 20 picture, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a smaller picture in here. So what I'm going to do is go to insert, click on that, and we're going to put image, okay? And then I'm just going to add a image. Let's see, I'll add this banner I made. Okay, this banner is a little bigger than I thought, But what we can do is take the Sawwp and bring it down a bit. Take the picture and bring it right above, like so. All right. I mean, the band is a little bigger. Obviously, you can make a smaller one, and you can add a smaller pictures if you have one. Again, you can add another picture. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and click on sample pictures I have. I call it, where is it? Not that one, not that one. All right, the image I added was too large. What you can do is if you right click on the image, you can head and delete it. So if you make an error, hit right click on the image and hit delete, and then the image will disappear. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and insert another image. That one was just too large. I'm gonna find something that I think is small. I'm just gonna add this one for now. That one's small enough. So say you were advertising, okay, say you were advertising for your business. You keep it inside the box. Obviously, doesn't look professional, but I'm giving you an example. Now, this is say you want this set for slide one. You would hit bottom right here, hit the arrow, hit it again just in case. Hold on a second. Come on, let's go to the next slide. I changed the background, took a picture out, but I'm going to go ahead and go to the next slide. All you gotta do is click on the bottom right here, and just keep hitting it. If it doesn't pop open, you might have to double click it or triple click it just to get the slide open. Once it says add a new slide, you're going to hit yes. Now you're on the next slide. See how it says 2 of 2 here on the bottom left? What you're going to do is now repeat whatever you have to say. I'm just going to put anything, okay? So this is all right. So this is just again, this is just a demonstration just to get you to see exactly how this works. All right, and then if you want to test the language, what you do is you click, you highlight everything and you select what language you want to hear. You want to hear David speak? You can listen to the lady. She's English. Or you can send the regular English female here. Now, once you have selected that and say you wanted to add an image here, you can insert. You can insert the background image or soundtrack or just a regular image. I want to go ahead and pick a regular image. I'm going to select this one because I like this one. And I'm going to add it there. So now you have slide number one, and then you can also, and then you got slide number two. Again, I'm just giving you a sample of what you can do with this video recording software. Once you're done, all you have to do is create video and select which video format you would like it in. I'm going to click MP4 video. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the videos, and I'm going to put new folder.
Hello, this is the Sawwp back office where you
and
can learn
I'm
about
going to
everything
put.
we offer.
Actually, you know what? Let me put on the videos. I'm going to change this folder name. Did it? You know what? I don't know if I want it in here. You know what? I'll just save it in there. I'm just going to put Sawwp test video production. There we go. Hit save. Now it's starting to save the videos. Once this, here we go. Once it's done, it automatically starts playing. Once it's done, it automatically stops playing. And then it'll switch to the next slide. Now it's going to keep repeating if you hit repeat. Again, I don't know if you heard that, but there was the lady's voice that I chose was the one that was speaking, and then it would play. Now you can upload this to YouTube. If you have a product, you can add the name of the product, you add the description of the product without you having to speak at all. You can let the actual robot voice or the lady voice explain that for you. That's how easy and simple it is to use this software. If you have trouble, please replay this video. It'll show you exactly what you need to do. That being said, thank you for watching. This is Ramon Escalera. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon. Bye bye.
Sawwp is the video
Now, if you
producer
want to
and owner of
insert,
Sawwp,
I'm going to go ahead and
$7 a
get
month.
rid of everything. All right. Sorry,
This
I'm a
is
little
the video
tired. I know
producer
I
with
don't
Sawwp.
sound so motivated right now, but if you want to add a presentation, say you already made a presentation using OpenOffice or something in that nature, you can actually add that presentation to this. Simple way to do is to click on File, and you want to click on Import, and you want to pick either a doc file or a PPT file. I'm going to go ahead and pick a PPT file. All right, and when just you can actually, if you know the name of the file, you can go ahead and write it there. Excuse me. And if you don't have one on, you can actually click on that little bar there, click on Documents, and then it should, or wherever your PPT files are at, and you can go ahead and load them up there. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. Hit OK. Once I hit OK, as you can see, it's starting to load. This is the presentation. Okay. And whatever, sometimes the presentation will already have words on the bottom left here. If there's words here, that's what it's going to read. I would play it, but if for some reason my recording device is delayed, so I'll be able to hear it, but you won't be able to while I'm recording this video. So I do apologize for that. I gotta go ahead and see if there's an update for that. With that being said, this is one of 11 slides. Again, as you can see, all I did was insert the presentation. It's already in there. I'm going to go to slide number 2. As you can see here, it's already in actual the words are already placed there. I want to go ahead and try to play this one to see if it sounds like I want it to. Yes, okay, so it does read it for me. So what happens is as you go from slide to slide, whatever's on the presentation slide that you typed in as words, it will place it on its own here on the bottom, which is great. That's good because you don't have to do all the work or retyping it. If it's not there, you would have to type it in this box. So whatever you see here, you have to type it in this box, and then the computer will say it. That way you don't have to speak. You can let the computer speak. If you would like to speak, you can also do so as well, but you would have to go to here and click record. I have not really messed with that. I don't intend to. But you can hit record and then start recording whatever it is you need to say. That
No
being
personal
said,
recruitment
next
is
slide.
required when you register under
Again, yes, exactly. So this is how this works. This is
www.paydaily.com
from an old
website. You will
program
have
that I
two
used to be
personal
with.
sign-ups
I'm no
placed
longer
for
with
you
that
in our
program.
system.
Um, but again, you can add your own presentations in it. So I just wanted to show you that as well. Again, thank you for watching. This is Ramon Escalera. And again, if you had the presentation slide on here and you want to record, if all the words are where they're supposed to be, and you select the language of who you want to actually read what you have to say, then what you're going to do is click create video, and it'll create a video of the presentation that you have right here in front of you. So if I was to hit this now, it'll read everything in this. It'll read everything that is typed out here, the actual computer, and it would show my presentation how I want it to be seen. Okay. I'll do it just for the fun of it so you can see. I didn't want this video to go too much longer, but I'm going to do it anyway. That way you guys get a sample. Okay, so I'm going to click on videos, PDL, test, Sawwp VP. Okay, there we go. Save. Now it sees actively drawing slides all the way 1 through 14. Excuse me, 1 through 11. It's encoding the video. All right, we're almost at 83. It's pretty fast, not too shabby. Boom, and there we go. I know you cannot hear it. I know you can't hear it right now. It's a delay in the recording. I do apologize. But there's a person speaking right now, reading everything that you see. because it's already printed out on the bottom of it. That's what I love about this. So if you don't feel like speaking, you can have the computer do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's about it. This is the video producer you get with Sawwp at level 3. How do you get to level 3? If you would like to move straight to level 3, you would have to pay the $5 on level 1. Excuse me, $7 on level 1, $10 on level 2, and $20 on level 3. So a total of $35 a month. You have more products, more autoresponders, three different websites you can have free hosting for. You can have obviously a lot bigger autoresponder upgrades. You can have more rotating businesses to put in a rotator. You have this video recorder that I'm showing you now. There's much more things we have to offer uh, as you move up all the way to level 5. As soon as you get to level 5, you have unlimited everything. And that being said, thank you for watching this video. Have yourself a wonderful day. Ramon Escalera, paydailylife.com. Bye bye.